Good day, students. Welcome to our math class. And for today's lesson, we are going to learn word, world time zone and the time in the Philippines. So are you ready? Let's start. Different times at different places caused by the movement of the Earth 15 degrees every hour. So it means to say that in every hour, our Earth rotates 15 degrees. So it causes a different time zone in other places in our Earth. So it doesn't mean that here in our place, if it's 6 o'clock, it's also the same in the other country, 6 o'clock. So it's because our move rotates 15 degrees every time. So we have different time zone. Okay, so why is it important for us to know the time zone? So it's this lesson is very important. Like for example, if you have a relative or a family working abroad, we'll know if it's already their rest time or if it's their working time. So I have a question here. Suppose if it is 6 a.m. in the Philippines, what is the time in Canada? So we will going to answer this question at the end of our discussion. So we have here PST or Philippine Standard Time. And the time right now is, suppose it's Saturday, 0600 hours. This one is in military time or in 24 hours format. Or in 12 hours format, this one is 6 a.m. 6 in the morning. So since we have a different time zone for Argentina, they are negative 11 hours. So when we say negative 11 hours, it means they are delayed 11 hours. For Australia, plus 2 means they are advanced 1 hour. For Beijing, China is a very big country. So there are some places that they are different, but in Beijing, we are the same. We have the same time frame or time zone. For Egypt, negative 6, it means they are delayed 6 hours. For Greece, negative 5, they are delayed 5 hours. For India, they are delayed 2 hours and 30 minutes. For Tokyo, Japan, they are advanced 1 hour or ahead of us by 1 hour. For Laos, they are delayed 1 hour. For New Zealand, they are advanced 4 hours. For Poland, negative 6 or delayed 6 hours. For Saudi Arabia, they are delayed 5 hours. For Venezuela, they are delayed 12 hours and 30 minutes. And for Canada, they are delayed 13 hours. So let us now find out, okay, what is their time if here in the Philippines is 6 in the morning or 600 hours. So let's start with Argentina. They are delayed 11 hours. So we will going to move our clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we already passed 12 at the midnight. So it means to say that the time or the day here is not Saturday but in Friday. So this one in Argentina, the time there is 7 in the afternoon, 7 p.m. or in 24 hours format, that is Friday, 1900 hours. How about in Australia? For Australia, they are advanced 2 hours. So all we have to do is to move 2 hours from 6 a.m. move 2 hours 1 through 2. So it means to say that the time in Australia is 8 o'clock or 8 a.m. For China, we are the same. So it means to say still 6 a.m. Saturday. For Egypt, They are delayed 6 hours. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 midnight, or in 12 hours format, that is 0, 100 times. 0, 100 hours, or 12 midnight. So still, it's Saturday. It's the start of Saturday. For Greece, they are delayed 5 hours. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means to say that in Greece, the time is Saturday, 1 o'clock in the morning. For India, they are delayed 2 hours and 30 minutes. Saturday, 3:30 a.m. For Japan, they are advanced 1 hour. So let's move 1. So the time in Japan is 7 hours, or 7 a.m. Saturday, 7 a.m. For Laos, they are delayed 1 hour. So let's just move 1 hour. So the time there is Saturday, 5 a.m. or 5:00 hours. For New Zealand, +4 means they are advanced 4 hours in us. So move 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the time in New Zealand is 10:00 hours, or 10 a.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. For Poland, they are delayed 6 hours. So let's move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, Poland and Egypt are the same time frame. So they are 0, 100 hours, or 12 midnight. For Saudi Arabia, they are delayed 5 hours. So let's move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the time there is Saturday, 1 o'clock in the morning, or Saturday, 0, 100 hours. For Venezuela, they're delayed 12 hours and 30 minutes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this one is already in Friday, 12 and a half. So the time in Venezuela is, that is Friday, 5:30. Okay, 5:30 in the afternoon. Or in 24-hour format, that is Friday, 17:30 hour. And lastly, Canada, they're delayed 13 hours. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And the time in Canada, that is Friday, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, or that is Friday, 1700 hours. So we have here already the answer for our question. Suppose if it is 6 a.m. in the Philippines, what is the time in the Canada? The time in the Canada is, it's Friday, 5 p.m. 5 in the afternoon. So thank you so much for listening, and see you next time. See you in our next math class.